Hello, welcome back. I'm Kai in motion. Today we're going into Calisthenics school. Calisthenics school is very impressive and beautiful to go for it. And most of us got motivated into Calisthenics by this skill, right? Then we are trying to attempt it several times and fail from the beginning. And we all realize it's really hard, but you need to keep in mind Calisthenics is really simple. You build up your strength step by step to progress from basic movement to the advanced skill. So before we can make the extremely hard skill, we go into the easier. I will show you beginner skill that benefit for your later skill and for your shortened goal easier to get that don't make you quit. First, for the core and full body tension, we going into L-sit. L-sit looks simple, but it's not simple. You need to engage your core, leg, arm, tricep, and shoulder. First, we go for hamstring. Keep your leg straight. Bend forward from your waist. And second, we're going to push yourself away from floor with your shoulder, engage your core and stretch your leg. Third, we attempt with the tuck position and slowly put your leg out and in and out and in. Then we get ready to go for it. And second, for the hand balancing, we going into fork stand, a foundation balance exercise where you support your body on your hand with your knee, resistance on your elbow, lift your feet off the ground, push your wrist, your shoulder shank and core stability for advanced skill like handstand. First, we build the bend arm strength and wrist and elbow and shoulder with pie push-up. Second, put your knee on your elbow and use your fist to push, tap it, go back and push to feel the movement, to feel the balance. And third, you put your knee on your elbow with the support, you find the balance and slowly lift one leg, one side and another side. Once you feel comfortable and you can lift your both sides up and that's it. And third, we cannot forget this leg going into Piton squat. A challenging single leg squat requires strength, balance, and mobility. First, we practice it with a box so it can be shortened range of motion easier to go. Second, we hold something to support and go full range of motion down and up. Third, we go without any support and we go negative down. For the better progress, you can add time under tension to better progress. That is how we build up the balance and the strength for single leg squat. And for the arm movement and body tension, we going into Russian push-up. This arm movement is needed for mastering the muscle up, especially the muscle up on the ring. Wider hand position should be harder. Of course, to do it, you need to mastering your push-up and you need to practice your front position, slide up and down, up and down. Once you feel the movement, you easier to get it. And for harder, can lower and push yourself all the way back. And finally, we going into elbow level, one of the most impressive beginner skill that is foundation for the plunge. And for hand placement, squeeze your elbow inward so they are rest firmly against your arm or hip bone. The closer they are to your midline, the easier it to balance and slowly lift up with your feet. And for easier, you can attempt it halfway like this. That is for today beginner skill. Coming up next for more. For me, for beginner, I'm practice L-sit and frog stand because I aiming for L-sit to handstand. Let's go. Pick one or two exercise and willing to go for it to get the goal and then set the new one and move on. Hope you are enjoy watching and if you are like, feel free to share and subscribe. Thank you very much.